Let's first consider midpoints. I'm going to put a point here, call it point A, and a point 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's put a point here, call it point B. Now, if this is a Cartesian plane, let's put a y-axis here and an x-axis here. Point A, if this was -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, point A is at -5 x value and the y value is 3. Coordinate of B is x value 3, y value 1. And I'm going to be looking for the midpoint. Now the midpoint is halfway between the two x values and halfway between the two y values. Now when we look for a point halfway, it's very similar to getting the average of 2 points. And that is the x value of the midpoint is if we add the x value of A with the x value of B and divide it by 2, we get halfway. And that is the rule for midpoint. You could use x1 plus x2 over 2. That's also the same as x of A plus x of B. So let's use this rule to find the midpoint of our two values. So the x1, the x value of A is -5. So that's the x value of point A. And the x value of point B is 3. If you add -5 plus 3, you'll get -2. -2 divided by 2 is equal to -1. So the x value of the midpoint is going to be -1. Now let's find the x value of the y value of the midpoint. It's the same thing as the rule for the midpoint of x. You add the two y values together of the two endpoints. That's the y value of A and the y value of B. And you divide it by 2. That will be halfway. Some rules like y1 plus y2 over 2. So this is our y value of our point A. So that's 3. And this is the y value of point B, which is 1. So if you add 3 plus 1, you get 4. Half of 4 is equal to 2. So the midpoint, the y value of the midpoint is -1, 2. So we can put that here, -1, there's -1, there's 2, there's the position for M, and M would be halfway precisely between point A and point B, and that is called the midpoint